What up, guys? Good morning. Alright, so today is, what is it? Jenny, bring that stuff. And I'm feeling super cold. I don't know if it's because of the Harmattan. Alright, guys, so I just needed to show you guys something. I ordered something on Konga and they just brought it, so I needed to unpack it so you guys can see what I got. Alright. What? They didn't bring the camera.
What did they bring?
They brought some other thing.
They brought.
We'll bring them now.
Why?
So they can't come.
The people that used to supply them.
Alright, so this is usually how they bring their stuff anytime I order something online. Alright, so I've already opened it though because I needed to confirm. I have to like confirm what they brought for me, because I've had experience where I order something and then they'll bring something that is not just it. Alright, so if I experience such a thing, I will immediately return it right at the spot. I won't even take it. So this is usually how you guys probably know, like you can order things online. This is usually how they bring their stuff. They state your name, your address, the stuff you bought, how much is it, and if you've paid or if you've not paid. Alright, so this is how it came. It is looking okay, let me unpack it. So they packed it with this stuff. That's why it's not gonna like break or something. They have to pack it with this. So they also put it in a nylon bag. And this is it. You want to start, man? You want this? Man. This is like what do they call that animal that is just like flexible that all these Indian people eat? I've honestly forgotten the name. This is how it is. It's just like a mini tripod stand for hand use. Okay, when I want to vlog and I don't want to hold my camera on my hands, I will just, you know, fix it up here and have it sit there properly, and I'll tight it very well with this screw so it does not shake. Alright, so but if I want to turn the camera anyhow, I will just loosen this place and bring it down, bring the stuff down like this. Oops, super exciting. And then I'll hold it this way. Well, probably maybe if I want to view down, I'll have to turn it that way and turn it back anyhow I want it. Alright, so this stuff is really flexible. I like it. Okay, so you can actually remove this thing here and you have enough space here, but it's okay, just put it there. Oops, it's okay, you have everything fixed. So I'm going to be using this while vlogging on the streets or in the market or in the mall or in the wherever or whatever. Anyway, alright, I love it though, so that's why I said let me get it. Alright, so I can be vlogging with it, so I don't have to hold my camera with my hands, because each time I vlog and I hold my camera with my hands, it sometimes, you know. Alright, so see what I want to show you. If I want to do something, I can see how it is. I can keep this stuff here and just tighten it and it stays. See that? So I'll just put my camera there. You can see how it is. So it's Autopox. Is it Autopox? What do they call it? Is it Autopox? Autopox and mini tripod stand. That's what it's called. So you can bend it anyhow you want it, or straight it, or if you are keeping it down, or you want to eat, and if I want to eat and I want to show you what I'm eating and I want it to go very, very down, so I'll just bend it this way and I'll keep it down this way. Flexible and sweet. I got it at 1,000 naira and they took 1,000 naira like for delivery fee to bring it down to my house. So everything is just like 2,000 naira to buy this Autopulse, yeah, tripods, mini tripod stand. I think that is the name. Alright guys, so that's just basically it, and that is it. You guys know I show you like not everything, almost everything, so that's why I said okay, let me just show you guys what I got. And I got an Autopulse stand for my vlogging. So vlogging activated, and it's gonna be very sweet because I won't have to be holding my camera on my hands no more. So talk to you later. So this is the stand, and this is how I'm gonna hold it. Alright, and the camera is gonna sit here, and so I wouldn't have to be holding the camera like this anymore. You get, so I just have to hold it here and vlog like this, like that, like very beautiful and very easy. So I can bend the camera anyhow and hold it anyhow. If I want to drop it, I will drop the camera like that, you know. So it's very easy to vlog with this mini tripod stand. Like seriously, so freaking easy and very nice to vlog with it. So alright guys, I'm coming back now. Okay. Alright, so the gateman is not around, the security guy. So I just have to open the gate myself. Alright, sometimes he goes out like that. Of course, before he goes out, he will come and tell us that he's going out. Okay, so we can. I think I just have to leave that gate like that. Maybe when I'm coming back, I'll have to lock it since it's not evening yet. So I'm going to the fuel station to fuel the car, and I'll also be getting a cream for review, and I'll be visiting my girlfriend Mary in her boutique. Probably I will. Alright, so you guys would have probably seen the prank I did to my mom about the car prank, stolen car prank, and she was like, oh my god, let's go to the police station. And she was ever ready to go to the police station. She was already going downstairs to go to the police station. It was really freaking funny. Hold on. So let me concentrate and drive. I'll talk to you guys later. Alright? Hey, so I'm just walking on the street and vlogging. There is nothing as sweet as vlogging on the streets while you have a lot of people guessing. Alright guys, so I'm done getting the oil I needed, the cream I needed to buy. Alright, because this is just the closest and nearby place I can get it, okay? That's why I had to come here. Alright, so I was vlogging and what am I?
Thank you, thank you. Take everybody, only yourself in the take.
Where are these guys?
Guys, Mama Cynthia.
Okay, I was actually vlogging. Where's my stuff? On the road, on this road, while I was going to that shop, and the man walked up to me. I was asking me, what am I doing? Why am I holding camera, facing myself on the road? Can you imagine that? Some people can just, thank you. Alright, auntie, I don't go.
I just come by the motor.
Auntie, I didn't come. I didn't come. Some people can just have guts, like asking me, what am I doing? What's his business? What's his business? Auntie, I didn't come. I don't have cash right now. I won't go buy fuel, and that woman just want to make a con give him money.
Give her what?
Yeah, they can't give him.
Which woman want me to give her?
I was seeing that. I don't get money right now. I beg. Alright, so I got something. Keep on wearing now. You just pack and put on like that.
Who is the shout for? It did take time. Imagine.
Now, so
I'll proceed where it is the shout for me. I will slap you.
wait.
Okay.
Who got the car?
It's mine.
That's good though. Why can't they laugh again? I didn't even see with this mirror. They don't turn the mirror for.
Huh?
I didn't.
Go. Nobody's blocking you.
I don't go. Thank you.
Bye.
Auntie, I won't buy fuel when I come back. Alright. Those people were just looking like, okay, so I was kind of telling you guys something before I was just oh my god, before I was interrupted by those people. The man walked up to me and was asking me, why am I holding camera on the road? Like, me, where on earth has he seen someone, like, I'm doing my stuff and you're coming to tell me what am I doing? I just respected that man for the fact that he's one old man that needs to be respected, okay? That was why I just left him, Joe. Just let me respect myself and respect him because he's old, you know? So, alright guys, so I bought some kitchen stuff from those people and these are the stuff I bought. I don't want to be using iron spoon. Yeah, I want to be using this kind of strong rubber looking kind of spoon, and this one too, and this one this is actually a wooden spoon. It's very hard, very strong. They sold it 700 naira. It's nice though, I love it. I just love my things being very unique and very different, away from the usual normal everybody thing, you know. Anyway, it's still everybody thing, Jared, don't mind me. Alright guys, so I want to go and get fuel right now, otherwise I would have given that woman something because she was just shouting my name up and down. I'll talk to her later, Jared.